grey shop here in Clyde, Victoria. As you see, a fresh bell box here from Bell Helmets, and we have Speed Parlour on the airbrush giving us a wicked helmet. All I've seen is a little graphic we've done just as a render. I didn't design any of this. Full credit to them. Just pretty much sent some of my logos, some of all that stuff, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. Come in, Mum. You're too far away still. Sit down, dog. I'm not really using the correct tools due to excitement. Usual stuff. Thank you for contributing. Here, you can have this. The smell of a fresh helmet. Thank you for contributing, Bentley. Here you go. True test of the tail. Ooh, spicy. That is ace. Let's put it on here for a bit of a look. Really outdone it. Huh, that is unreal. I'm wanting to go to TH's. It's sort of not like myself as a brand. Put my racing logo on there as well, which is good. For our Indiana trip, I wanted to do, I don't know if you can see that, but some Aussie flags, just to resonate with that. Obviously you want your name on it. What else have I done here? And obviously Speed Parlour have given us a wicked helmet, and so TH Journey, which is a YouTube channel, keep on the loop with all this, and really neat TH on the top. Really tidy touch, so absolutely wrapped with this. How cool is that? So yeah, hit up Speed Parlour if you want an absolutely awesome helmet, because yeah, I'm pretty bloody wrapped with that. Can't wait to debut it this weekend at Timmins.